Reservation on political affiliations. We must see that good people come to parliament. If good people come to parliament, if people of national interest come to parliament, we must save our country from these FDIs or like that, as Sri Uday Raoji and Pawanji told you. So this way we can check many things. Now, they have already discussed these things, but I can simply say that we outright reject and do not support these FDIs in particularly retail, pension, aviation, broadcasting, and this raise of FDI in insurance sector. As you know, we played a vital role in till now, stopping this raise of FDI in insurance sector. We played vital role. Last year in August, we gave calculations to them, we gave statistics to them that LIC is very much capable of giving more than banks. And on the last time we could get it that we got much more than these bank structures. We got much more than the bank skills. And this also, the credit goes only to Noino, who took regular follow-up from the finance ministry. None of the union, total 10 unions are there, none of the union took any initiative of this type. Only Noino took this initiative at all levels. From bureaucratic, administrative result you can see. This year also we have already submitted our charter. Of course the talks have not initiated, but we must be prepared to take any educational program as is decided by the Central Committee. To get us be prepared for that. Besides these achievements, I would like to just brief few more achievements. The GIS scheme, which Class 1 Federation was planning to be issued only for their members, we were able to convince the management that this GIS scheme should come for all the employees of LIC, and we were successful in getting that. Compensation for unique conversion programs. First time only we could do conversion programs for which many Class 1 officers were required to sit after late hours. And due to our efforts, overtime was allowed to those officers who worked overtime during unit conversation. I hope you
वीरता कौन है? राष्ट्र को समर्पित यह भारतीय मजदूर संघ संगठन है। राष्ट्र की अस्मिता सर्वोपरि है। अतः देश हित, उद्योग हित और मजदूर हित हमारे श्रम संगठन का नारा है। मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं अपने मुख्य अतिथि माननीय श्री त्रिभुवन अधिकारी जी, वरिष्ठ मंडल प्रबंधक, भारतीय जीवन बीमा निगम।
परम आदरणीय डॉक्टर श्री S.B. Savan, वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट नोइनो, श्री उदयराव पटवर्धन जी, प्रभारी वित्तीय क्षेत्र BMS भारतीय मजदूर संघ, श्री पवन, हमारे लाडले हमारे प्रिय श्री गणेश कामत जी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी नोइनो, और श्री राजेश दुबे जी, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी नोइनो, देहरादून मंडल के मेरे नोइनो के तमाम साथी जिन्होंने आज इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने की हिम्मत उठाई, और देश भर से आए हुए नोइनो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पदाधिकारी, डेलीगेट्स, ऑब्जर्वर्स, जो कि इस 60th एक्सटेंड, आप सबका देहरादून मंडल की ओर से मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। साथियों, द्रोण की नगरी देहरादून, कहते हैं देहरादून का नाम महर्षि द्रोण महाभारत के युग। छोटा सा पर्वतीय राज्य उत्तराखंड, जिसे देवभूमि उत्तराखंड भी कहते हैं, बहुत ही रमणीक दृश्य, बहुत ही शानदार आबो हवा वातावरण में आपका स्वागत है इस 16वीं एक्सटेंडेड वर्किंग कमेटी मीटिंग के लिए। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को यहाँ आकर के अच्छा लग रहा होगा। बहुत सही समय है दोस्तों। मैं कामत जी को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि ये ठीक समय एग्जैक्ट सुबह के आंगन में जाकर के इस शानदार धूप तो नहीं कहूँगा, धूप शब्द जो होता है बहुत बढ़िया सी गर्माहट की आपको महसूस होगा। हालांकि आप लोगों का एजेंडा में देख रहा था 2 दिनों का। The agenda is jam-packed and I do not know whether you will get the time to enjoy the weather and the clients of Dehradun, but I hope you take some time out, and I hope most of you would have taken 1 or 2 days leave so that after tomorrow you can enjoy the wonderful atmosphere in and around Dehradun. I do not know whether you will be able to go far, but in and around Dehradun you can enjoy the wonderful atmosphere. Friends, it's been great. I'm honored to be invited to this opening ceremony of the 16th extended. I will not be hesitant in saying I think 90% of the burden is being borne by class 1 under inhuman conditions. In my branches, we are a hill division. We have 4 branches in the plains of Uttar Pradesh. Most of my division is a hill division. I find it impossible to post people to the hills today. I was telling my zonal manager, I was telling Mehrotra Saab in a recent conference in Lucknow, this can't have people to man them. And in those conditions, मेरे पास न चाहते हुए भी बस only one choice is there, friends. क्या? Class 1 होती है। और जाता है, Class 1 जाता है। तो जानता है कठिन, मुश्किल परिस्थितियां हैं। Average age of the organization today is 44. 44 साल की उम्र इस संस्था में कार्यरत Class 1 अधिकारी, Class 3, Class 4 को अगर ले 44 साल की उम्र होगी। And at 44, an average human being would be married and would be having at least 2 to 3 children. Probably was studying in Class 8, Class 9, Class 10. 44 is that age. और उस समय अगर किसी आदमी को अपने एजुकेशन हिल्स में दुर्भाग्यवश नया राज्य है, सरकार कोशिश कर रही होगी, but then the education levels are not there. The quality schools are not there. So every class 1 officer who is posted to the hill has to take this tough decision of leaving his family somewhere at some urban center and staying for 2 to 3 years in the hills. So it's 2 years, 2 years here and there. We have made it a practice to make it 2 years. But it is difficult, friends. Class 1 पिसता जा रहा है. And if we are not united, if we do not support leaders like Ganesh Kamath in their human service and the human cause they are fighting for, I think we will be failing in our duty, and I think we have no right to expect what we are expecting today. So let us get together, let us rally around us, each other. In the branches, there are instances of class 1 officers being humiliated, abused by different sections of people, and I find it strange and I find it sad that even the class 1 3-4 जो हैं, they don't rally around that officer. और फिर हम चाहते हैं कि जो उसके साथ हुआ वो मेरे साथ ना, क्यों नहीं होगा? Why will it not happen? If you are not together at any level, why will people not take advantage of you, irrespective of whatever class or fraternity or organization you belong to? So let us rally around, friends. Industry, friends, Life Insurance Corporation of India is at a crossroads. Not Life Insurance Corporation, I will be talking about the industry as a whole, is at a crossroads today. These are my personal views, these are not the views of the organization. एक चौराहे पे हम खड़े हैं। सेक्टर को खोले हुए 12 साल हो गए। सन 2000 after the Mehrotra Committee report, we opened the sector, the government opened the sector. We are 24 today, 23 LIC plus LIC of India. हम काफी खुश होते हैं LIC की जब हम कहानी सुनते हैं। सरन साहब ने कहा कि we are having 80% market share in premium, about 74% market share, 80% market share in policy, 74% market share in premium. Market share month to month अगर आप देखें सेंट्रल ऑफिस मैगजीन उत्कर्ष आती है, there is a slight increasation and I call for something to be done. People will be there behind me supporting me. He can go up to the management and the management can go up to the finance ministry and demand something good for all of us. I thank all of you for coming to this wonderful city of Dehradun, this wonderful state of Uttarakhand. I hope this 2-day stay and extended working committee है तो request है को extended stay भी कर लो आप लोग, ठीक है? 2 दिन के बाद भी stay करके कुछ enjoy करो, have fun, enjoy yourself, and I'm sure the Noino team led by Mr. Singhal, Rishi ji, Bacheti, Joshi and others will take good care of you. Thank you for calling me here. All the best.
जिस वातावरण में धरातली बात माननीय अधिकारी जी ने कहा हैं कि वरिष्ठ मंडल प्रबंधक के रूप में जिस तरह की वास्तविक भूमिका में बात होनी चाहिए उस तरह से आपने संबोधित किया। और जहाँ तक मुझे जानकारी है शायद आप इसके पहले तो यहाँ ही थे और इसके पूर्व कानपुर डिवीजन में शायद मैनेजर आईटी भी रहे हैं। तो वहाँ के एक मित्र ने मुझको बताया आपके साथ वो आईटी में कार्य किया था। तो उसने बताया कि जिस तरह का नाम है आपका टी अधिकारी, उस तरह से आपका जिस तरह से अधिकारी के रूप में नाम है उस तरह से एक बात आपने कहा। धन्यवाद। क्योंकि जब हम बात कुछ करते हैं और करते कुछ हैं तो उसमें वो बात नहीं रहती। उसी तरह से ज्ञान दूर कुछ क्रिया भिन्न हो तो पूरी अपने मन की इच्छा नहीं। अब इस सेशन को ज्यादा समय न लेते हुए मुझे गर्व है कि देहरादून यूनिट में 2 साल पहले से कार्य हो रहा था और माननीय AK सिंह जी, अंजनी कुमार सिंह जी वाराणसी के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि चूंकि आपके द्वारा ही स्थापित ये यूनिट है तो वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं माननीय श्री अंजनी कुमार सिंह जी को।
Before our chief guest goes, I would like to request you all to please introduce yourself. You must show from where we are here. So please start your introduction, please, one by one. From where 2 or 3 things only. Your name, from which place you have come, which division you have come, and in the organization.
ADM, DTC, Pune Division 1, All India Treasurer.
All India Vice President का दायित्व मुझे।
I am Anaga San from Radio 2. Sorry, I am from Radio 1. In Noino, I am holding All India Joint Secretary.
Good afternoon. Myself, Vishwashan Noino has given me the responsibility of the legal zonal secretary of Western Zone.
I am S.J. Elagri, the Harvard Division in Karnataka. I am working as a principal in the training center. In Noino organization.
South Zone Secretary. Mr. Kamatji and Saranji, both of them very friendly. More than 7-6 years they initiated talks with us for formation of South Zone. With the help of them and everybody's interest of our members in South Zone, we formed the South Zone in a successful way. We are also proud of that function is there. It will be going to form in very soon. Thank you. I am from Chennai Division 2. I am President Noino of South Zone.
आप सभी बंधुओं का हार्दिक स्वागत है। मैं सुधाकर मिश्र, जूनियर प्रेसिडेंट कानपुर डिवीजन।
नमस्कार, अनिल भागड़ीकर from Amravati division. Organization has given me the responsibility of zonal president of Western Zone.
I am zonal organization committee secretary.
Bangalore division. Organization doing joint secretary zone.
Good morning, everybody. I am Ajay Kumar Guru, division secretary of Coimbatore division.
President of Noino, and I am working as AO at F&A department.
I am Mrs. Deshpande from Chandrapur in Nagpur division, initiating division of this Noino.